I created a company that has allowed each and every one of our customers to realize their dreams. We help our partners grow, win, and be happy. Giorgio Monacelli.
MONACELLI Italy is the only cosmeceuticals company certified as a development company. For more than 30 years, it focused on hair salon growth, helping the hairdresser stand apart from his or her competition and become a happy hair beauty consultant. A new professional figure that, with his or her knowledge and values, can generate tailor-made beauty. Giorgio Monacelli, the company's founder and CEO, has created a growth and development system through the Monacelli Quality Salon certification to generate more quality, profitability and, above all, happiness in the salon. The basis of this system is the evolution of economic theories focused on studying the human mind. Starting from the assumption that the brain is malleable and therefore changeable, study and experiences can change people's minds and lead them to cast old habits aside in order to achieve happiness. Harmony is achieved when the rational and creative sides find a balance. Likewise, harmony in the salon takes concrete form when the profitability and happiness objectives go hand in hand. The development of economic theories is a 30-year journey. The first economic theory, the theory of the hairdresser, focuses on satisfying a customer's need by concentrating on the aesthetics of the hair. In this way, results are achieved that for most competitors remain unachievable to this day. Monacelli Italy, on the other hand, has already cast this theory aside because it has understood that, with these figures, profitability is not generated. So it has gone beyond, creating a new economic theory, the theory of the hair beauty consultant. The hairdresser then becomes a hair beauty consultant. Consulting solves the scalp and hair problems of 98% of customers. By doing this, treatments and retailing sales increase, and results show improved quality and duration thanks to the development of customized beauty plans. The third economic theory saw the rise in the figure of the happy hair beauty consultant. Happiness becomes a new approach in experiencing the salon, a value, a lifestyle for the owner, for the team, and for the customer, whose needs are transformed into desires. Full of positive energy, the customer perceives the beauty and performance of the customized plan, conceived and developed in the salon, and wishes to continue it at home as well. And this keeps on bringing in higher revenues. The customer's beauty therefore becomes an advertisement for the salon and its success. How does the economic development system work? Having done an initial analysis of the salon's data relating to the team, its customers, and the services delivered, Monacelli Italy develops a customized development plan that can quite quickly bring the salon a 5-star rating and increase its profitability exponentially. The economic transformation and business development derive from the use of all of Monacelli Italy's tools: training, storytelling, and products. Training. Training is the engine for the entire system and is led by happy educators, professional instructors tasked with providing training in taste, with transferring knowledge and values, and with helping design and develop every customer's beauty plan in a scientific and personalized way, thus generating happiness. Training takes place at the exclusive academy at Castello di Solfagnano, with locations throughout Italy. And that's not all. The mymonacelliitaly.com platform can be used to attend webinars and complete e-learning training directly online. Storytelling. Monacelli Italy focuses particular attention on the world of fashion, creating specific training paths that, through the life and works of great artists and creative storytelling, provide training in developing a taste for beauty, using stylistic and technical works that are both refined and trendy for corporate media storytelling. Products. Moreover, the exclusive, innovative and functional line of tools products is created directly in Monacelli Italy's research labs, using natural raw materials and functional active ingredients conceived and developed using a new patented technology that is unique of its kind MWP, an industrial-scale microwave reactor for molecular synthesis. All the tool's products are made using ingredients originating from renewable sources and with eco-friendly production processes, all with the utmost respect for the health of people and of the planet alike. All this is MONACELLI Italy. We look forward to your becoming a part of our success and being happy.
Success is born from the strength of words that have the power to improve people. In this, we are unique. We help our partners fully develop their potential in order to achieve the success that generates happiness and betters their lives. MONACELLI Italy, the culture of beauty.